How do pop-up matcha drink stands introduce beginners to matcha? Pop-up matcha drink stands introduce beginners to matcha by offering simple, approachable drinks, friendly explanations, and small samples that make the tea less intimidating. These stands often begin with a short explanation that matcha is finely ground green tea, so people drink the whole tea leaf instead of throwing it away after steeping. A worker usually shows how a small amount of matcha is mixed with warm water, then whisked until it becomes smooth and lightly foamy. Beginners can choose an iced latte, a fruit drink, or a sweeter version, because these flavors soften matcha's grassy taste. Tasting samples let people compare drinks without spending much money or committing to a large cup. A useful detail is that matcha flavor changes greatly depending on its quality, freshness, water temperature, and how much sweetener is added. Very hot water can make matcha taste harsh, while cooler water helps preserve a smoother flavor. Some stands also explain that matcha contains caffeine and a natural compound called L-theanine, which may make its energy feel steadier than coffee for some people. To learn actively, ask the worker what flavor notes to expect. Taste the drink before adding more syrup, and notice whether the flavor is grassy, nutty, creamy, or bitter. A common mistake is assuming every matcha drink should taste sweet, so try a lightly sweetened version first to understand the tea itself. Another mistake is judging all matcha by one unpleasant experience, since old powder or poorly mixed matcha can taste very different from fresh, well-prepared matcha. Some beginners also think a bright green color always proves high quality, but color can be affected by processing and does not tell the whole story, so ask when the powder was opened and where it came from. If the drink feels too strong, request less matcha or more milk instead of giving up immediately. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.